In this video, I'll be showing you how to combine videos on TikTok. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this, and you can do it on literally anything you're using, whether you're an iPhone, Android, Samsung, or anything like that. So what you want to go ahead and do is firstly open up your TikTok application. Then on the bottom right, I'm going to go ahead and see the plus icon, so just go ahead and click on that. And then what I'm going to go ahead and do is on the bottom left, I'm going to see that little icon, which is going to open up my recents for my camera roll. So all I want to do is go over to the videos tab and select whatever video I want to go ahead and, use. So for example, we'll just go ahead and use this one right here. Then it allows me to also select multiple ones. I can do that right now. Or if I don't want to, let's just say I select one right now. What I can go ahead and do is swipe up, and this is going to bring my editor open. Now, on the right-hand side, you're going to see this plus icon. Go ahead and click on that plus icon. And then from here, I can go ahead and choose another video that I want to merge with it. So we'll just choose one from the exact same day, for example. And then I can just choose another one like so. Press confirm. And then they're both going to be in here, as you can see, as two separate things. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.